Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to have you with us today.
Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to meet the rebels of the English language.
The rebels. That sounds dangerous.
It is not dangerous, but it can be tricky. Last time, we talked about regular verbs, verbs that follow the rules.
Yes, for regular verbs, you just add ed. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. It is easy.
But today, we're talking about irregular verbs. These verbs do not follow the rules. They change completely.
Oh, I know these verbs. They are the most common verbs in English, so they're very important.
Exactly. Today, we will learn the top 5 irregular verbs. If you know these 5, you can say almost anything.
Are you ready to break the rules? Let's unlock our English.
Let's start with the most popular verb for movement.
This is our first keyword pair. Go and went. Go. G-O. Went. W-E-N-T.
Go is for today. Went is for the past.
Notice that we do not say goed. That is wrong. We say went.
Go means to move from one place to another place.
For example, yesterday I went to the park.
Or, last summer, she went to Paris.
Went means the travel is finished.
Listeners, please repeat. Go,
Go.
went.
Went.
I went to the store.
I went to the store.
Great! Now, after you go to the store, maybe you are hungry.
That brings us to our second keyword pair, eat and ate.
Eat. E-A-T. Ate. A-T-E.
Eat is for today. Ate is for the past.
We do not say eated. No. No, no. We say ate.
The pronunciation of ate is exactly like the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Eat means to put food in your mouth.
For example, I ate a delicious pizza last night.
Or, the baby ate the banana.
Listeners, let's practice this. Repeat. Eat.
Eat.
Ate.
Ate.
I ate breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
Wonderful. Now let's use our eyes. This is our third keyword pair. See and saw.
See. S-E-E. Saw. S-A-W.
See is for today. Saw is for the past.
We do not say seed. We say saw.
Be careful with pronunciation. It is like the tool used to cut wood. Saw. Open your mouth. Saw.
See means to look at something with your eyes.
For example, I saw a good movie yesterday.
Or, he saw his friend at the school.
Listeners, try this sound. Repeat. See.
See.
Saw.
Saw.
I saw a bird.
I saw a bird.
You are doing great. We have went, ate, and saw.
Now, let's talk about possession or experiences.
This is our fourth keyword pair. Have and had.
Have. H-A-V-E. Had. H-A-D.
Have is for today. Had is for the past.
We do not say havid. We simply change the V to a D. Had.
Have means to possess something or to experience something.
For example, I had a red car when I was young.
Or, I had a bad day yesterday.
Or, we had a party.
This is a very useful verb. Listeners, repeat. Have.
Have.
Had.
Had.
I had a good time.
I had a good time.
Excellent. We have one last verb. It is the verb of action.
This is our fifth keyword pair. do, and did.
Do is for today. Did is for the past.
We do not say do it. That sounds funny. We say did.
Do means to perform an action or a job.
For example, I did my homework yesterday afternoon.
Or she did the laundry.
Or he did a great job.
Listeners, repeat this powerful word. Do.
Do.
Did.
Did.
I did it.
I did it.
Wow, Charlotte, we have 5 amazing verbs.
Let's review them quickly. Go becomes went.
Eat becomes ate.
See becomes saw.
Have becomes had.
Do becomes did.
Now let's see how they work together in a conversation.
Okay, I will ask you about your weekend, Leo. Try to use our irregular verbs.
I am ready.
Leo, where did you go on Saturday?
I went to the beach. It was beautiful.
That sounds nice. Did you swim?
No, I just sat on the sand, and then I saw a dolphin in the water.
You saw a dolphin? Wow!
Yes, I saw it jump. It was amazing.
And what did you eat?
I ate a big sandwich, and I ate an ice cream.
Delicious. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a wonderful time. What did you do, Charlotte?
I stayed home. I did my English homework.
You did homework on Saturday?
Yes. And then I went to the kitchen and I ate chocolate.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday, too.
Listeners, did you hear the verbs?
I went, I saw, I ate, I had.
And Charlotte did her English homework.
Using these verbs makes your English sound very natural.
It is okay if you make mistakes.
Yes, if you say, I goed to the park, people will understand you.
But if you say, I went to the park, people will say, wow, your English is great.
It just takes practice.
Let's do a quick quiz to test your memory.
I will say the present. You say the past.
Listeners, speak out loud.
Number 1, go.
Went.
Number 2, see.
Saw.
Number 3, eat.
Ate.
Number 4, do.
Did.
Number 5, have.
Had.
Perfect score! You have mastered the rebels of the English language.
Leo, do you have a motivational thought for us today?
I do. It is about the road we travel.
Please share it.
The quote is, "The path to success is not a straight line. Sometimes it is irregular, but you just have to keep going."
I love that. Irregular verbs are like life, unpredictable but important.
Exactly. Don't worry about the rules. Just communicate.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Practice your 5 verbs today. Tell a friend what you did yesterday.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.